a way to quickly clean potatoes without all the scrubbing. Instead of washing them under running water the traditional way, you can use a washing machine. But that's not all. Before I show you this trick, get a large bowl, fill it with cold water, and add a few tablespoons of coarse salt. The salt acts like a natural scrub and removes dirt and soil that's often hard to wash off by hand. Place the potatoes in the solution, mix them well with your hand, and let them sit for a few minutes. Finally, rinse the potatoes under running water, and you're done. This is a classic method worth knowing. If you want to do it even faster, put the potatoes in the washing machine. Add a kitchen scrubber to help remove dirt more thoroughly from their surface. Choose a washing program, ideally one that's short and gentle so the potatoes don't get damaged. The machine will do all the work for you, gently cleaning them on all sides. After the cycle finishes, the potatoes will be perfectly clean and ready for further preparation. It's a great way to save time and reduce kitchen work, especially when cooking for a large group.